Welcome back to Repurpose Kings. We have something really cool today. I found an old boat motor at a garage sale and got a really good deal on it. So brought it over to Justin's shop. He's very good repairing motors, but that's not what we do. We're going to do something a lot better than that. We're going to actually make a lamp out of it. You good with that? Out of a boat motor. You ever seen one? No. I've seen a bunch of them. You guys need to stay tuned.
Yeah, I might have to stay tuned too because I don't know what we're doing. I've never made a lamp out of a boat motor.
Well, I want to do a little bit differently. I have some oak pieces that I want to make the base out of, and I have a really cool light that I want to use as the lamp.
All right, so let's get started.
Let's do it. So I have finished the boat motor stand that we're going to make for our lamp. Here's both sides. So now we're going to come off of here with some threaded pipe and then add our explosion light cover. We should have this completed. Now I'm going to go back, finish sanding this down, and stand it with
All right, guys, I was just trying to wrap up this lamp here, and yeah, the song came on the radio.
I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feeling, got no reason.
All right, there you have it, guys. It has to be the world's first boat motor lamp.
It's not. There's hundreds of them out there, but this is the first one we've ever done.
Okay, it's the first one I've ever seen. 8-inch squirrel cage Edison bulb, that's what that's called, in an explosion-proof cage. And so, but anyway, the wiring is really cool on this thing. Y'all check this out.
I can't believe you did this.
I know, watch. Ooh. I can't get it to stay running.
Give me some grease in it.
Anyway, did you see that?
Whoa. Here.
Don't move it. Don't move it.
All right.
That's it. That's a wrap.
What do y'all think?
That's worth subscription right there. You have to subscribe after that. All right, like the video. See you on the next one. Thanks.
That did not